Hey everyone, welcome to Stwealth Pro Stocks. Let's learn about risk management in this session. In trading, right, professional traders will never trade more than a defined percentage of their portfolio. Okay, so some traders say, like, hey, I will never risk more than 0.5% of my account on any given trade. Now, if there is a conviction that a specific stock is going to, go skyrocket, then in that case, they're willing to risk a little bit more in order to capture the gain, the maximum gain of that. For a short-term traders, like swing trading, it is strongly advised you never risk more than 0.5%. If you have more risk appetite, up to 1%, but never more than that. Okay, so how does that translate? Let's try to understand. Let's say on a $100,000 account, okay, 0.5%. Let's assume that we are going to risk 0.5% on any given trade. Okay, so your risk is 0.5%. First of all, what does that mean? 0.5% risk means 100,000 multiplied by 0.5%, which will be $500. That means on any given trade, I'm not going to risk more than $500. Okay, now let's talk about which stock we are looking at. All right, so let's say I'm going to look at our favorite SMCI. Okay, I have included some formulas here which will automatically pull the price. There is a little bit delay in the prices, but just for illustration's sake, let's say I'm entering right now, okay, 33.76. And my risk, you will notice this on almost all my trades, my stop loss is going to be low of the day or little below low of the day, right? There can be exceptions, but majority of the times I go with low of the day stop. Okay, so today's low of the day is 32.65. That means my entry price is this, low of the day is this. So entry price minus low of the day minus my stop, right, equals to $1.11. What is this telling me is I'm going to risk $1.11 per share on this trade. So how much is my total risk? $500. So $500 divided by $1.11, which is equal to about 450 shares. So how many can I buy? 450 shares I can buy, given that I'm risking $500. Okay, so what's my total investment here? 450 multiplied by entry price is going to be $15,207 is my investment. Okay, and risk is going to be 500. Let's say the trade went terribly wrong, right? So there has been some tweet or some news. In that case, stock starts going down, right, instead of going up. In that case, I'm going to lose $500. That's it. I'm not going to hold the bag. I'm not going to wait until things turn around, wasting my time and wasting my capital, right? We are not doing that. Instead, we will just quickly get out for a minimal loss, which is $500. If it is not comfortable for you, okay, you can go with 0.5, 0.25%. Okay, in that case, your size is going to come down to 245 shares, and you're not risking more than $250 on this given trade, right? And obviously, your total investment is going to be 8,252. Okay, that's how we operate here. Okay, so understand this very carefully. Use this tool. You all have access to this tool. Okay, it's an open one, it's a publicly available. So before you enter any trade based on an alert, or even if you are taking trades on your own, right, I strongly suggest use this calculator to calculate your position size so that your risk is always calculated and you're not losing more than X amount of dollars on any given trade if it fails. Okay, good luck. If any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you need some more help, right, to understand this, reach out to me. You can DM me.